You know, I don't want to say it. Corona. I said it anyway. Woo, what's up everybody? I think I found the solution to my audio problem. You see, my TRRS to TRS cable was bent, aka my 4-pin to 3-pin adapter was bent, aka the thing that I plug into the GoPro mic adapter to make it go work is not working. So yeah, I replaced it with a temporary one right now, but I'm gonna order an actual replacement off Amazon. But this sounds so much clearer. I tested it in my room and it worked. Watch, I'm gonna get out here and it's not gonna work, but oh well. And yeah, there's still hecka traffic. This construction never ends. I take offense to that sign. I know I'm slow. It's okay. STS, stop touching stuff. I'm really debating on getting a new camera. And like, I wanted the GoPro Hero 8, but I can't justify it. Well, sod it. They, GoPro sent me a 25% off for the Hero 8, so I could get it at $100 off, which is nice, but like, after spending the $300, I then have to get an $80 I think it is, adapter, not the new adapter. It'll take all day to turn, I guess. The media mod, that's what it's called. It's like an $80 media mod attachment that you can then plug a 3.5mm adapter to. And I've been reading all the reviews, and I know more than one person that has one, and apparently they suck. Like, even worse than the one I have now. So I can't do that. I can't drop that kind of money to get crappy performance. It's just not worth it. And the only other option I've seen is Sony's camera, which is like the same price, but I think it's got better reviews. I just don't know how to mount that, and I don't want to switch all the stuff I have. I'm going to try and make this setup work as long as possible. If I need to switch it out, I will. We'll see. Long story short, I've been a very long-term customer with GoPro, like since some of their original cameras, and I've run through several different of their cameras, and I'm just not happy with them anymore. Super unintuitive stuff. This mic adapter I have now is the size of the camera and doesn't even work properly. It's just, I think it's dumb. I think GoPro could be doing so much better. They're just not. They're doing what they can to like fight their competition and not help their customers, and I don't know, I'm not super thrilled with it. Which sucks, because like I really supported GoPro from the beginning, and I love them as a company at first, but just not anymore. Anyway, I guess I'm just kind of ranting on GoPro right now, but whatever. I want to show you guys, I'm going to put the video on the screen and the pictures of how my thing is set up right now. It's like super ghetto rigged, but it works. Until I get an actual replacement, this is what it looks like. It's got like scotch tape on there. No biggie. It's just a little ghetto rig. This is what it's come to, GoPro. Because you can't make a normal mic adapter. I have to rig up my whole helmet to look like this crap. Also, big shout out to Motorads for making it possible. I mean, I had the whole mic adapter like taped and zip tied to the camera to the helmet. It looked hideous. And then Motorads came along and made a product for it, which is still holding up. Like, I got one of the test models still, not even like the production one. Everything's still working great. So shout out to them. Link in description down below. Feel free to use that link to shop on Amazon, because it gives me a couple cents, which is better than no cents. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to update and say, like, I do have a solution now to my audio issues, so for future videos that'll be fixed, at least. And today the weather was actually nice. It was hot a little while ago and the sun was out. Now the clouds covering it. It feels nice though. It's like mid-high 60s. Woo, so nice. I hope it stays like this, but big doubt. Anyway, I'm sidetracked. I don't know. What was I doing? What was I talking about? When the sun does come out and it does stop raining, I'll get out and make some more videos. I had several plans for like car meets and stuff for videos, but they keep getting canceled because of the beer virus, the Modelo virus, the Heineken virus, the Bud Light virus. You know, I don't want to say it. Corona. I said it. I said it anyway. Because it's from China. I saw that cop over there. I see you. Can't catch me. I'm too fast, boy. Police actually won't chase motorcycles here unless you've like already committed a crime. But if you're just speeding and they put their blue lights on and come behind you, if you run for like more than a couple seconds or whatever, they'll just stop. Not that I would do that or anything, and not that I'm condoning that or saying that you should, but just, you know, useful knowledge, I guess. Anyway, peace out, Girl Scouts. I'll catch you next time. Always remember, stay 6 feet apart, or the beer will get you.